Let's begin with a simple question. What is your purpose? Your purpose is the very reason why you are here. It is that thing that makes your life meaningful. The concept of purpose often feels complex because many people have wrapped it in layers of religion and theology. However, purpose is not confined to a specific religion or reserved for a particular group of people. It is something everyone should understand, regardless of race, color, gender, religion, belief, or faith. Purpose is an existential question that touches all lives. Here's a simple analogy. Suppose you decide to go somewhere. I'm sure you'd have a reason in mind, perhaps to meet a friend, buy something, or just go relax. Even if you think you have no reason, there's often a deeper, unspoken motive in your mind. As human beings, we are naturally driven by purpose. There's nothing we do without a reason, even when it comes to seemingly trivial or nonsensical actions. That's how intrinsic purpose is to our lives. Now, imagine a being as significant as you are, created without a purpose. Do you think that's possible? Even if we set aside beliefs in a supernatural being or higher power, we can all acknowledge that certain forces exist beyond human capacity. Despite our intelligence and technological advancements, there are still limits to what we can achieve. Something sustains this earth, orchestrates its balance, and occasionally disrupts it. Science has already established the principle of cause and effect. Nothing happens without a cause. So, it's implausible to think we just found ourselves here by chance. Yes, we understand the biological process of reproduction and our ability to multiply. This is a natural capacity we've been endowed with, but even with all that knowledge, we cannot create life itself. Life is energy, and energy cannot be created by us. So, when we step back and take a broader view, it becomes evident that there is a reason for our existence. That reason is what we call purpose. Your purpose answers two fundamental questions. Why are you here? And what are you meant to do here? These two answers make your existence both meaningful and valuable. Meaningful to you and valuable to the world. You were not placed here to be a money-making machine or to fulfill someone else's ambitious goals. You are here to fulfill the unique reason for which you were created. Unfortunately, the world often seeks to keep you unaware of this truth, encouraging you to remain entangled in endless labor for systems that serve others' interests. But your life is worth more than that. In the next article, I'll delve deeper into the subject of purpose and how to discover it. Read next, Part 2. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com, and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get books on Amazon, Amazon Books if you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony. Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. Are you clear about what you want this year? 3. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.